Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to join Microsoft Teams meeting without an account. So right here, the first thing that you are going to do is you have to ask the organizer for the link. Okay, so they're going to send you the link through email or through chat. It depends on what kind of platform. So for this one, I am going to use my messenger. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this link and then we are going to paste this link in the private window. So don't need to log out our account. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this link. All right, and then I'm just going to open a private window. And then we are going to paste here now the link of that specific meeting. Okay, so after that, just wait for a couple of seconds. And right here, you'll be able to see this option. So make sure to click on the continue on this browser and then click on the cancel option at the top. Okay, so when you clicked on the cancel, after that, click on the continue on this browser. And since we don't have an account on Microsoft, what we're going to do here is we are going to type out our name or nickname. So make sure to allow video and audio. So here we have the option to type out our name. So you just simply click on it and then type out your name and click on join now. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.